Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create a WhatsApp backup on the Samsung Galaxy A26. Okay, so let's begin. So first we need to go straight into our WhatsApp, and now once we are here we need to click on those three dots on the top right corner, and from here we can get into the settings. Now we need to look for the chats. Now scroll down a little bit until you find the chat backup. Okay, and in here under the Google account you need to select the Google account that you want to have, and basically on this account the backup will be stored, so it's good for you to not lose the password to it, because otherwise you won't be able to restore the backup in the future. So once you have selected, or not, if you can click on add account. Now we need to wait a little bit, and in here simply type your Google account, and if you don't have one, simply click on create and then follow the instruction on the screen. Okay, so once it's selected, now below we have something called the automatic backups. Defaultly it will be set on off, but you can pick between the daily, weekly, monthly, or only when I tap backup mode. So currently it is on the weekly. I'm just gonna leave it like that. So basically that means that each week the backup will be automatically made and I don't need to do this manually, so it's pretty good option. Okay, now below we have option to include the videos, we can enable it, and below you can see that almost 1 megabyte will be uploaded of the videos. Okay, also below we have something called end-to-end encrypted backup. If you choose to turn it on, basically in here you will create a unique password that you will need to restore your backup in the future. So if you choose to create it, please don't forget it, because you won't be able to restore your chats. Okay, so once everything is selected, all you need to do now is to click on this green button, backup. Now the process has started, so we need to wait. Okay, and now it's done. You can see also above when the last backup was made. We have the hour and the size of it. Okay, so that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.